Hi fans, I'm here once again, Gentle Shadow, channel by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. Thanks my fan for your viewing, for your comment, for your like, for your subscription, and for clicking on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for your motivation in order to give out more videos, in order to launch videos. Thanks for your time you spend to watch my videos, and thanks for the comments you make. Thanks fans, most of all thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification of new ones. The topic of this video is 3 places you must check on your device. What are the 3 places you must check on your device? In this topic, you will see the 3 places and how to check it. Most of all, watch to the end to understand this tutorial, this guide, and thanks for subscription. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.
Let's start now. First, among one of the 3 places you must check on your device. One of the 3 places you must check on your device. The first one is my phone. My phone is a place where everything about your device, like if you want to buy a new device, or if you want to buy a device like phone, laptop. In this tutorial, I will use Android phone. If you want to buy Android phone, there is places you must check before you buy it. Now, the first one is my phone. My phone is a place where you will know your phone. Click on your setting icon. After you have click on your settings icon, click on my phone, search look slide where you see my phone, click on it. In this place is a place where you know the RAM, the ROM, the camera limit, the camera perfection, how the camera looks and work, and the device, the model, the Android version, the build number, minimum. What is the benefit of checking this place? One of the benefits of checking this place is knowing how much RAM in your device, because some phone may look beautiful but their RAM are not good. Their RAM used to fill on time. That's one of the benefits. And knowing the battery capacity of the phone, that's one of the best things to know, to check here. The second one is your Google account security. Why is this place you must check it? Because to know the device which tag you, or the device which access, unauthorized device which access your account, your Facebook, your Google account, that's one of the best one. That's one of the most you must check this place. That's one of the reason you must check this place. Now click on Google's settings. Click on it. Google service and preference. Click on it. I will show you the place where you will be checking, because to know if your device is being compromised. As you can see, mine is good. See, this place is where your device this place is where you will know the device which tag you or which access your device The last place you must check is your system update. Why this place is one of the place you must check is because if your device is not up to date, it will be easy for an unauthorized person to access your device and also make your device lagging in processing. It won't be processing things fast even if it's not up to date. So these are the places that you must check on your device. These are the places you must check on your device. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video helpful, don't forget to leave your comment, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as my videos is being released. Thanks guys for watching. Love you. Gentle Shadow Video Tech channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Thanks.